Want to master maps for UPSC CSC with the ideal map practice resource? Introducing UPSC Map Practice. Complete coverage of maps for CSC. The roadmap for success in Prelims 2022 with English videos. Your ideal guide to acing map-based questions, because it's based on the latest UPSC CSC pattern. So you make the most of your exam preparation with detailed explanations related to regions like So, are you ready to master the basics and learn about important world locations, places of historical significance, geographical sites and more? Get to the destination of your dreams with UPSC Map Practice. Complete coverage of maps for CSC. Available now. Included in GS Stream Pack.